In this video, you will learn how to stop pictures from moving in iMovie. So if you want to stop photos from zooming in iMovie, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro and welcome back to another iMovie tutorial for beginners in which you will learn how to stop pictures from moving in iMovie. Now without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see here I have created a new iMovie project in which I have imported a video and you can see the video on the timeline. But if we import any picture in the iMovie project, let's import this one. So when we import any picture, you will notice that when we play it on the timeline, you will notice that the picture will be moving like this. So basically this is a picture, and when you import any picture in iMovie by default keeps it moving like this. But the good thing is you can fix it. What you have to do is you have to simply click on the picture layer, and when you will click on that, you will notice that there will be a yellow layer outside the border area. So that confirms that this layer has been selected, and once that is selected, you have to click on this crop icon here in the top right corner. When you click on that, you will notice that currently it is from these styles menu, Ken Burns is selected. So you have to simply click on fit, and that will keep the picture fit to the canvas, and that will simply fix the moving issue for iMovie pictures. Let's play it now, and you will notice that the picture is still now and not moving. And similarly, you may also make further changes by selecting this picture layer and after that clicking on a crop tool, and here it is fit is selected, and you can see that there is black bars on both sides because the picture is small. So we can simply click on crop to fill, and after that we can select the portion that we want to show without cropping. Like we can show this area, and after that click on this done check mark, and that will simply fix it. So this is how you can stop pictures from moving in iMovie. And by the way, if you want to learn how to put two videos side by side in iMovie, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.